Good morning 8th standard students. This is the second video of the week and this is the first video of the lesson articles. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to discuss and study about articles. Right. So what we can see, there are three articles in English: a, an and the, which belongs to the class of words called determiners that are used before nouns. Okay. So what we have to remember here, that the articles can be definite articles and the articles can be indefinite article. So which are the articles which are coming in the list of indefinite article? They are a and an. Definite article the. Okay. And now indefinite article. So a and an are indefinite article because they don't indicate any particular or definite person or thing. So this point is very important, that they don't indicate any particular or definite person or thing. So they are called indefinite article. Example: a book, a table, an orange, an ink pot, etc. And because of this only they are called indefinite article. Right. And now we can see some of the use of a. So rule number 1, a is used before a consonant. So this we all are knowing, children, that before the consonant we have to use the word a. The sound should come like consonant. For example, bag, so it will become a bag. Tiger, a tiger. Banana, a banana. Pen, a pen, etc. Okay, this is a very simple rule which we all used to follow. Then rule 2, a is used before a vowel with a consonant sound. Here in this example you can see u is vowel, okay, but then also a is used in front of the word. Example: a university, a uniform, a union, etc. And the reason is because the sound is coming, okay, consonant sound, so we are using a. When you will speak university, you will see that it is starting with something like y, okay. So the sound is coming like of consonant, so we are using here a. Now rule 3. So what is rule 3? A is used to express a certain quantity. Example: a dozen eggs, a cup of sugar, okay. So a dozen eggs, in 1 dozen 12 pieces used to be there. So before dozen also we can use a. So whenever we are talking about certain quantity, that time also we can use the article a, okay. Now we can see the use of an. So where we have to use an, rule 1, an is used before a word with the sound of a vowel, okay. Example: arrow is there, so it will become an arrow. Engine is there, it will become an engine. Orange is there, it will become an orange. Urn is there, it will become an urn. So whenever we are able to see that the sound of a vowel is coming, so before that we will use an, okay, to indicate that this is singular. Right. So use of an, rule 2. Words beginning with H and when they are pronounced like vowels. Example: an hour, an honest man, an honor, etc. See children, many words are there in English which used to be silent, means they are present in the word but we are not pronouncing them. So when we don't pronounce them, then we have to use an in front of the word if the sound is coming of vowel. For example, if R you will see, so H is silent, so O U R, or, okay. Honest, O N E S T, honest. Honor, O N O U R, honor. So when the sound is coming of vowel, that time we will use an, right. And then now we can start definite article. Okay, so I expect from you all that you all are listening very nicely. So now you can see definite article. This is a definite article because if refer to a definite person or a thing, so it is talking about a definite person or thing. From the explanation only, from the name only, we can come to know about the thing. Okay, for example, rule 1, when we denote a particular person or thing already mentioned, so that time we are using the. Example, I ate an apple yesterday. The apple was juicy. So one time we have mentioned that we are talking about apple. So next time what we can do, simply we can say the apple was juicy, because here this is becoming definite article. So this is the same slide which we have discussed. Okay, that the definite article used to refer to the definite person or a thing. Okay. So here also children, we can see the next example. He brought a book. He showed the book to his teacher. Okay. So here also we can see that he brought a book. First we are discussing about the book, and next time when we are talking about book, we are using the. Okay. So this is only called rule 1, when we denote a particular person or thing already mentioned, so that time we will use the in the sentence. Okay. So this can help you in writing section, children. When you will write the story, when you will write the letter, okay, when you will write the answers, so that time this all points will help you to score good marks. Rule 2 we can see now, to indicate to a whole class. Okay, whole class. For example, the lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, so here you can see the is used 2 times in the sentence, the lion, the jungle. So whenever we are talking about whole class, that time we have to use the. Okay, and one more thing we can say, that the is used before proper names, proper noun. This is rule 3, before some proper names like desert. So if you are talking about desert, any desert name, example Sahara desert, so the Sahara. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Rivers, the Gangas. Okay, so like this we can understand here. And one more thing, here we can understand, children, that proper names are proper name used to be proper noun. Okay, and proper noun means if particularly we are talking about someone, so that used to become proper noun. For example, when we are talking about Mahatma Gandhi, right? So we will not say Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, we will use the Mahatma Gandhi, right? The father of the nation. So in front of the proper noun, we used to use the, and because of this only, this is called definite article. Okay, we are talking particularly about this. So like this we have completed the video, children. I hope you all are able to understand this, and you can note down the important points in the copy also for revision.